Just need to get this uninstalled here. What the heck is that? It's on the water line. Where did all the damn... Oh. There it is. This is the drain. Drain pipe right here. And we're missing the clamps for this. Okay, so you can't put this onto this because this will crush it. This is the water right here. I always use mini channel locks to tighten all these because you can easily over torque this stuff. That's the water line. It's 3 feet. And we'll connect it to that little hammer rester. Now, let me test it. And we got power. Okay. Oh, wonderful. This is not gonna fit. Okay, so the cabinets are not allowing this to go all the way back, so they're gonna have to get a cabinet guy out here. It's the same 24-inch, but you never know with these things, especially when there's custom counters. Custom counters and cabinets and stuff. So, but we'll hook it up the way it's supposed to be, and then they can deal with getting the cabinets to make that fit. You always got to tell people that ahead of time. Okay, So now, so this does not have an air gap. But if you noticed on the side of the dishwasher, there's a loop before it drains. So that's throwing a high loop for you. But basically when you don't have an air gap, you do a high loop like so. So if this ever backs up, the odds of it getting dirty water getting into the dishwasher are lower. Kind of stupid, but that's what it's called, high loop. And then lastly, you need a hammer arrestor within 6 feet of the water lines. So this is 3 feet. This is 20 inches. So I'll probably mount this back here somewhere. Put a little copper clip on it. I mount it right there, actually. Mount it right there. I'll mount the high loop. That's gonna be hard to get back there. They said this disposal stopped working too, so I don't know. Might have to replace that. There's no way that's the right, that's not. And that sounds horrible. I gotta replace that. Simple as that. Of course I can't get this off. I'm just gonna use the multi-tool, cut it, and try to cut the back because the basket strainer is spinning. Use that to hold it down. Now, for the hard part. Actually fit perfect. Come on, dude. Let's check for leaks. All right, that's it. Just gotta put the hose clamp back on here. Like so. Nice.